What's up, Galloways, and today we're gonna do a what's inside video. And apparently right now, a part of our video or setup is right there. Cause somebody, wink wink, Milling, had to drop that. Plus we are also doing a plastic bowling ball with these scissors. Now what else do we have to cut up in?
Barbie?
And the football down there, but we don't have it.
Hey,
There's more up there.
Another football from upstairs.
Then go get one more thing, cause two isn't good enough.
Okay.
Hoverboard, homemade hoverboard.
A 1999 hoverboard.
Madeline.
A 1999 hoverboard.
I'll just set the setup right here for right now.
This is our new studio.
Yep. How do you like it? How do you like it? I'm just gonna put some b-balls and Millie will do another. Oh gosh, that's really melty now.
Oh god.
My papa just put out some air and whoa, swish.
I'm rolling.
So I hear him right now.
And you see me rolling.
Peyton, patrolling. Okay.
I found the football.
All right, now shut the door and let's get into this video. Did you get anything else?
I'll look for something.
All right. Let's not let this go on anything. Okay.
Look at my handboard.
Classy. All right, so
Babies to crawl around.
where's that basketball? Right here.
Hey, I thought this was ours. We have this
Oh,
at
that's
my
dark.
house. What the heck? This is at our house. But
I sneak a basketball.
Tom.
Gosh, wait. Ready?
Come on, let me shut this door.
Okay, that was pretty good.
This is what? I might miss this because
That's all right. We all miss. Here, pass.
I'm gonna see if I can make it from right here.
Yeah, look. Oh, Melon, that was close. My turn. Pass it to me. Yeah. Anyway, I thought I'd get to my ball, then no. Oh, that was close.
We're all missing.
Got to admit.
Hey, Tom, Tom.
Oh, sorry, Maddie.
Good.
Oh gosh, I can't do that. Ready, go. Oh,
That's fine.
go, Milk Dog. Yeah, all right, let's get into the video now. So, we got our handy scissors that Milling will be cutting.
Yes.
Milling will be cutting open. Maddie and me will be telling you about this. Oh no,
Okay.
basketball on the loose.
And we have
That place is always creeping me out, like back there. I don't know why.
basket. We got like
A
the
mini bowling ball. We probably won't be able to. Oh, okay, that did not work.
First, we're gonna cut
Alright.
this open. We'll see what's in this.
All right, let's go.
So this is a mini football from a Chapin game, which is a high school that they throw out. So let's see what's in it.
We still have several, so it's okay. It's probably gonna be just
Foam.
foam,
Oh,
yeah.
it's just foam.
Well, that's like purple. On the camera, it kind
Oh
of.
my
Oh no, not.
God. Yeah, it is look
It
purple.
looks a little purple,
See?
like from here.
Yeah, I got the
feels cool.
purple.
Hey, more football. 2 footballs now.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is fractions, kids. It's
Let's
fractions.
just go. Like, if we can make this.
It's fractions, guys. It's fractions.
No, it's just foam.
Oh no, it's fractions.
I don't know if we're gonna be
Pretty
able
much
to
just
cut up
fractions.
the next object.
Yeah. Try and just like stab it or something, because that's probably not. Here, hold. Oh, right there. There's a hole.
That hurt. It actually did hurt.
Look.
That's hard. Sorry, I just felt like doing that. Be careful, please.
Yeah. You're gonna break your hand, Mom.
Well, he's getting somewhere.
Mom, you're gonna slide and cut your hand.
Frick, I'm not doing.
Well, that's closer. He just made that big dent. So try. No, move your hands. Move your hands. It's gonna slip. Just put it underneath there. Hold it just like that. Here, hold it.
Hold it like this. There we go.
All right, there we go. It's just gonna be air inside because it's gonna be hollow.
I bet.
But still, that's cool. I'll cut it. Cut it.
No, let's put this in there.
Yeah.
Let's put this in there.
Booty ideas.
Okay.
Let's try to stick this in there.
If we
Here, let me try
to
cutting something with this.
Just like, let's see if we can cut this.
Here, you hold it. Take the film.
Okay. Let's see if we can cut this.
Yeah.
We can.
Wait.
Wait, can it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wait.
Yeah. So let's see if we can like.
I'm gonna make it as like a triangle kind of.
It's like an operation.
Yeah. This is like a workout with your hand and grip stuff. Okay.
Oh, it opened.
The part that I cut off. But,
Okay, now let's see.
yeah.
Okay, we have this. Oh, we put it inside. Do you see that? You see that? It's a close-up of it, but inside. I think
It can cut.
this video was. I mean, we
Let's
didn't
try and get the likes. Let's try and hit the likes.
Okay, no. So let's try.
To get this
Well,
video.
yeah, course, subscribe
Yeah,
and like the
subscribe.
button and comment how
At
this
least
video is going.
100.
Turn the post notifications on, and if you're new, then
Just
of course like subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it.
At least just 100.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's Galloway Galloway.
Yeah.
Bye.
It's always Galloway Galloway.
Adios.